guys, welcome to Yum Curry and I'm Pragya. Today we are making a very famous cake which is lemon bundt cake. This cake is so easy to make and is super moist. So let's get started. Take 2 cups sugar in a bowl. Add unsalted soft butter. Use an electric beater to beat it until it's well combined or becomes light in color. Use a spatula to scrape the sides. Now add 4 room temperature eggs. Beat it again. Add buttermilk, vanilla essence and lemon zest. Beat it well. Now add flour and firstly mix it using spatula. Then mix it using the beater. Add lime juice, baking powder and salt. Mix everything well. Transfer it to a greased baking pan. And bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 55 to 60 minutes. Now for the garnishing, take powdered sugar and add lemon juice to it. You can also use milk as well. Mix it well until you get flowing consistency. Now add it to the cake. Make sure your cake is not too hot, otherwise the sugar will melt. Now drizzle it all over the cake. To be honest, this part is so fascinating that it's hard to stop. And your lemon bundt cake is ready. Enjoy this easy lemon cake recipe and let me know how was it. Okay? Bye!